Great way. So what I'll show you now is just two really effective ways to wax your kit in the field. The first way is just using a normal drinks bottle by boiling up some water, let it cool a little, and then once it's ready, make sure you wear some thick gloves because it's obviously hot. Clean any debris off, and we'll just do this backside panel here. So as even as possible, but it's not a science at all. Put it there, get your bottle, and then you just take it.
Oh yeah, see it's melting in. That's
over
fantastic.
the fabric. Yeah,
Brilliant. Yep.
Super quick, very effective.
That's very clever. We do something similar to that for a couple of reasons. In the tropics, you get these insects that lay their eggs in clothing.
Right.
And it's good to iron them. If you don't have an iron, we use a metal mug with hot water. And also, if you're doing a repair with the duct tape,
yes,
if you heat it, it glows and stays forever.
Very good.
That would be a good way of doing it.
Yeah. You can also do it while the garment is damp, not soaked.
Very neat. I'm impressed with that. Are there any other ways?
Yeah, so the next way, let's get a smock now, and we'll do part of this shoulder. So put it down here. Here we go. We'll just again wax this area here.
So Don, tell me about the wax.
Right, so the wax, it couldn't be more natural. It's beeswax from southern Sweden. We take it up to northern Sweden, and it's processed there, and it's the balance we use of natural beeswax and the paraffin oil that works so well, and we've just refined it over the decades. Yeah. So with this now, what is key is bunching it up so you can comfortably hold it, and that's why it's good to do it really panel by panel. So I'm just going to put that there. I'm going to get our stove, put it safely up here. So start that there, got a piezo, off we go, turn it up, get a good nice roar going, and then when I get the smock, I'm going to make sure I've got a good handle of it, nothing's going to fall out, so to speak. I'm going to watch the wax as it melts, and then I'm just at that point, not get any closer, but off we go. You can see how instant it is.
I can smell it, yeah. Are you worried about burning the jacket?
No, you won't. You will not. If I keep it at this height where it's just melting, you will not burn the jacket at all.
No, that's really neat.
It's fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fantastic. And okay, it's an open flame, but I can see where the flame is, I can see where the melt point is.
Don, that's really clever. So what are the advantages of the waxing? Is it just about waterproofing?
Right, no, not at all. So if you apply the wax, it will give good repellency. And of course, that's the beauty of it, is the more wax you give the garment, the more water repellent it'll be, but the breathability will come down in the scale a little bit. So it's just that wonderful balance, very much up to the end user, is to how much wax you put on, how breathable you want it to be, etc. But it's a really bespoke system. It's really intelligent. It's very basic, remarkably sustainable, but so effective, so effective.
I think it'd be interesting to try it with the stove and just a metal army mug as well, just heating the mug.
Yes.
I think that would work really well.
Absolutely, absolutely. No, I'll give that a go. But if you think about the classic nature of the fabric, there's no other type of fabric you can do this with. Other fabrics have other advantages.
It's brilliant. You can adapt it to whatever your circumstances or needs are.
Absolutely,
very clever.
Absolutely. Bye.